You are making a project that belongs to the modern history, and this is also belongs to the education system in modern India. So what's about your project?
Good morning all of you. I am Shanley Soni from class 8. Today I am presenting university that built during the British rule. So my first university is Rajpipla State High School, founded by Maharaja Vinay Sinha in 1930, and my second university is Calcutta University, founded by Sir Charles Wood in 1857, and my third university is Aligarh Muslim University, founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, and my fourth university is Darbhanga University, founded by Dr. Misra in 1872, and my fifth university is Bombay University, founded by Dr. John Wilson in 1857, and my sixth university is the Hindu College University, founded by Annie Besant in 1898, and my seventh university is Shantiniketan, founded by Rabindranath Tagore in 1901, and my eighth university is Madras University, founded by Sir Charles Wood in 1857, and ninth university is University of Baroda, founded by Sayaji Rao Gaikwad in 1949. Thank you.
What's about your project?
My name is Radha Gupta. I study in class 8. Today I related to the project belongs to the university that was built the British rule. The first is University of Allahabad that founded Big Bang in 1857. The second is Indian Institute Technology means BHU, Banaras Hindu University that founder was Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya in 1919, and third is Aligarh Muslim University that founder was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, and fourth is University of Calcutta that founder was East India Company in 1957, and sixth is the University of Madras that founder was Wood's Dispatch in 1857, and sixth is Punjab University that founder was Gottlieb William Leather in 1988 too, and seventh is Patna University that founder was Bishop B.J. Sullivan S.J. in 1940, and eighth is Mysore University that founder was His Highness Sri Nalwadi Krishnaraj Vidyasagar, fifth in 1982 and 1857, and my ninth and last is University of Mumbai that founder was Wood's Education in 1857. Thank you.
Very good. Now next, Jivika, what's about your project?
Good morning everyone, my name is Jivika Singh from class 8. Today I am discussing about university who built in British period. So my first university is the Hindu Banaras College who built in Annie Besant in 1791, and my second university is Shantiniketan who founded in Rabindranath Tagore in 1901. My third university is the Bombay University who founded the Dr. John Wilson in 1857. My fourth university is Aligarh Muslim University who founded Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1857. My fifth university is Madras University who founded Sir Charles who founded.
Pari, what's about your project that you are making for the education system that are built during the British rule? Will you explain something about it?
Good morning, myself Pari Singh from class 8. First, this is Calcutta University, was set up in 1857 by Sir Charles Wood, and second, the Hindu College Banaras by Jonathan Duncan in 1791. Second, Aligarh Muslim University was set up in 1920 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Fourth, Shantiniketan School was set up in 1901 by Rabindranath Tagore. Fifth, Madras University was set up in 1857 by Sir Charles Wood. Thank you.
Now next, Dipti, you are making a project that are belongs to the British that are belongs to the education system that are built during the British rule. So there are two projects that you are making. So first, will you explain something about the Kolkata University and the Madras University?
Good morning, my name is Dipti Yadav from class 8. My project is related to the Indian established in the India by the British. First, Kolkata University. The Kolkata University is located in the Kolkata. In the University of the Kolkata, founded in the 2nd January 1857 by the Sir Charles Wood. Second, Madras University. The Madras University is established, founded in the 5th September 1857 by the Sir Charles Wood. Thank you.
Very good one. Akansha, you are also making two projects that are belongs to the education system of the India. So what's about your project?
My name is Akansha. I'm a student of class 8th. My project is the education institution of India by the British. First, BHU, Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University was established in 4th February 1916 on the occasion of Vasant Panchami. Second, Allahabad University. Allahabad University was established in 26 September 1887 by the Sir William Muir. Thank you.
Hello Aditya, you are making a project that are belongs to the education system during the British rule. Or we can say the modern India, about the modern India, the education pattern that are given by the built by the Britishers. So what's about your project? Will you explain something about it?
Good morning all of you. My name is Aditi Pandey, the student of class 8. Today I am showing you a project that is about the universities built during the British rule. The first university is Lucknow University, that is built by the British in 1920, and it traces its origin from Canning College. The next one is Bombay University. Bombay University is founded by John Sawyer Wilson in 1857, and the next one is Punjab University. Punjab University is founded by G.W. William in 1882, and the next one is Madras University. Madras University is founded by Lord Evans. The next one is Madras University. The Madras University is founded by Lord Elphinstone. He developed a plan to make it, and the British government stabilized it by an act of Legislative Council of India in 1857. And the next one is BHU, or you can say Banaras Hindu University. The Banaras Hindu University is founded by Jonathan Duncan in 1882 to encourage the study of ancient Sanskrit. And the last one is Allahabad University. Allahabad University is founded by Dr. William. The next one is BHU, or you can say Banaras Hindu University. It is founded by Jonathan Duncan in 1919, and the last one is Allahabad University. Allahabad University is founded by Sir William Muir in 1887. So that's thank you.
Very good. Now next, this is Naman Yadav. What's about your project? Will you explain something about it?
Yes, sir. My name is Naman Yadav, student of class 8. I am presenting a project that belongs to education system. First, Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University was founded by Madan Mohan Malvi in 1919. And second is Aligarh Muslim University. Aligarh Muslim University was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875. Thank you.
Shaurya Singh, what's about your project?
To all of you, Mahtab Singh, I studied in class 8. Today I am representing a project. So my project is university was established during the British rule. So my first university is Banaras Hindu University. He was founded in 1919. The founder of Banaras Hindu University was Madan Mohan Malviya. So my second university is Bombay University. The founder of Bombay University is Dr. John Wilson. So he was founded in 1875. So my third university is Calcutta University. The founder of Calcutta University is the East India Company in 1875. So my fourth university is Madras University. The founder of Madras University is George Norton in 1857. So my fifth university is Aligarh Muslim University. The university was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1857. So my last university is Shanti Niketan University. The founder of Shanti Niketan University is Rabindranath Tagore in 1901. Thank you.
Aditya Clary, you are making a beautiful project of the education system during the British rule that are built by the Britishers. So what's about your project? Will you explain something?
So good morning, my name is Aditya Rai. I study in class 8. Today I am representing here University of India during the British rule. First, Calcutta University. The founder of Calcutta University in 1857, and second, Aligarh University founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, and third.
Now next one is Rustam. What's about your project that you are making? A beautiful project. Your project belongs to a very fabulous. So just tell me something about your project.
My name is Mohammad Rustam.
Hello Anmol. This is your project and this is a very beautiful project that you have built it. And also you are doing it's a very hard work. And what's about your project? Will you something explain?
Good morning. My name is Anmol Singh. Today I am representing here project. So my project is the British Rural Education of University. So my first university of BHU, the founder of Banaras Hindu University of Madan Mohan Malviya in 4th February 1919, and my second university of the Calcutta of University, and the founder of Calcutta University of Mr. George in 1857, and my third university of Shanti Niketan University, and the founder of Shanti Niketan University of Rabindranath Tagore in 1901. So that's all. Thank you.